Hey guys, so I wanted to tell the story of how all my dogs were adopted. Tootsie here, she was our first, so I'll start with her. My husband actually found her on Pet Finder, and she really stood out to him for some reason. And the reviews on her, the people said that she was good and she liked big beds and she's just an overall good dog. Well, we went all the way to Fayette County, Pennsylvania to get her, and when we first seen her, she would not stop barking. She acted like she was so afraid of us, and we couldn't get her to calm down, so we took her out for a walk outside at the place she came from, and she went to lay down on her back like she wanted a belly rub, and Isaac tried to rub her belly, and Isaac's my husband, by the way, and she actually bit him and ran off. I let go of the chain once she bit him. I didn't mean to, though. And he said he still wanted to keep her, so we took her home, and she took to us right away. She's a little mean once she meets people still, but she is the sweetest dog ever. And she is definitely her daddy's baby. Now Lulu over here. Lulu. She is my baby. Isaac actually found her on Craigslist. There was an ad for her. It said she was a full breed blue nose pit, but she's not. She's actually pit bull lab mix. Her mom was a blue nose pit and her dad was a black lab. But she's very cute and she's a very sweet girl. We went to meet the people from Craigslist. They were from Morgantown, West Virginia. So, scratch that. They weren't from Morgantown. They were from PA also, but we met them in Morgantown. And it was really snowy that day, I remember. She was actually gray when she was a puppy. But somebody's here. Oh, never mind. Okay. She was actually gray when she was a puppy. But she turned more black as she got older. And Malachi left, so they went outside. But anyways, Malachi, we actually got him from somebody local. They breed boxers. He's a full bred boxer. He's beautiful, beautiful brindle. He's a sweet dog, but he's kind of dumb sometimes. I remember my husband and I were laying in bed one day, and we were just talking, and he said, "Oh, by the way, I told that guy I was going to take one of his puppies when they're old enough." And I said, "No, you did not. Like, he wouldn't do that without asking me first." But he did. But I couldn't be mad because Malachi was so cute. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.